In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu font on Wix. Changing your menu font is a quick way to refresh your site's look and improve readability, and the process is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make confident choices that match your brand. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with your site open. Click directly on your site's menu to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding outline and relevant options appear. Now, look over to the right side of the editor and open the inspector pane. This panel is where you control the styling and settings for whatever you've selected, and it's the place we'll use to update your menu's typeface. Inside the inspector pane, navigate to the design section. The design section groups all the visual settings for the menu, so it's the best spot for changing how your text looks without affecting the structure of your site. Within design, locate the text option. This is where Wix organizes all the typography-related controls for the menu. Click on the text option to expand it. You'll see several text controls appear, including a drop-down for the font. This drop-down lists your available typefaces, often showing them in their own style, so you can preview the general feel before you apply anything. If you don't see the font control at first glance, scroll within the text area. Some editors condense options to keep the panel tidy. Open the font drop-down and choose the new font you want for your menu. As you select a font, your menu will update in the editor so you can see what it looks like in context. Aim for a font that balances style and legibility, especially because menu items are typically short and crucial for navigation. If your site has a brand font, this is a great place to use it. Consider weight and clarity. A medium or semi-bold weight often works well for headers and navigation items, while very thin styles can become hard to read. Also, keep contrast in mind. Your font should stand out clearly against the menu's background color. Once you've picked a font you like, that's it. Your menu now uses the new typeface. If you change your mind, you can always return to the same text area and pick another option, or use Undo to revert. For a cohesive look across your site, try to keep your menu font consistent with your headings or brand typography, and make sure it feels readable at smaller sizes. And there you go. That's all you need to change the menu font on Wix.